Hi and welcome back. We're now in our three-part video series, and this is now video 2. And today we're going to be I'm going to be answering the question, where did calligraphy originate? Any ideas? Any? Stay tuned to the end of this video because you're going to get a sneak peek on next week, okay? So stay tuned. And here we go with the answer to the question. Throughout time, humans have looked for ways to represent and record the significant events in their lives. It can be said that the art of calligraphy has been developing since the beginning of art itself with early cave paintings. As mankind developed, so did the art of drawing pictures. In about 3500 BC, the Egyptians created the highly stylized system of hieroglyphics, for which they are well known. These symbols were carved inside tombs or painted with brushes across papyrus paper. Around 3100 BC, the Sumerians and Mesopotamians developed a series of pictograms for keeping track of measurements and weights in order to conduct trade more easily. It replaced the ancient system of counting stones and drawing animals. The pictograms were simplified over time and became abstract forms much like our common symbols we use today, such as the at symbol, dollar, pound, percentage, ampersand, and the plus sign. The Assyrians and Babylonians adapted the Sumerian symbols for their own use. About 2,000 years later, around 1200 BC, the Phoenicians, of civilizations whose land followed the coast of what is now Lebanon, Syria, and Palestine, went a step further and developed what is believed to be one of the first alphabets. The phonetic symbols replaced the drawings, and any concept could now be expressed by a combination of symbols or letters. The Hebrew alphabet was derived from the Phoenician, and neither alphabet contained vowels. Through maritime trade, the Phoenicians spread the use of the alphabet to North Africa and Europe, where it was adopted by the Greeks and Etruscans. By 850 BC, the Romans had adapted the Phoenician form of writing to suit their Latin language. With the spread of the Roman Empire and its eventual conversion to Christianity, Latin became the universal language of the churches of Europe. During the Middle Ages, monks began to carefully scribe copies of ancient religious texts into decorative books used by high-ranking church members and royalty. Paper was expensive during the Middle Ages, so the scribing monks developed a writing style that was narrower, allowing more words to fit on a single line. Thus the Gothic lettering style was born. It lasted as a popular scribing technique throughout much of the Middle Ages. Did you enjoy that? I hope you did. I hope you found it very educational, that it was an interesting tidbit of history. So, and if you did, give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Share it with your friends. Do subscribe so you don't miss out on any of my videos coming your way, which is every week. So next week's question that I'm going to be in the three-part video for the third video is I'm going to cover the question, how did calligraphy survive throughout the ages? It's been around a long time, and how has it survived? Even in today's world of technology, how has it survived? So come back next week and I will let you know.